Yeah, before you start commenting angrily, I am not agreeing with what Unity has done in any way. So you can stop commenting and take away your dislike, because I'm as disappointed as you are.
Disappointed!
And for those who have no idea what I'm talking about, there are a lot of videos explaining what Unity has done. But for those who want a short and probably not very accurate explanation, a couple days ago Unity announced a fee for every single install on your game. And this fee only counts if you have 200k revenue and 200k downloads, which are quite high numbers. So you might think that doesn't affect most indie game developers. And you are right. However, that is not really the problem here. The problem is more the fact that there are a lot of small things that are just uncertain about this change. Like how does it work with free-to-play games that have 200k in revenue due to in-app purchases. But more than 1 million downloads, resulting in the developers having to pay more than they made. And there are a lot more problems, like how do they know installs are not pirated and such. And to this question, Unity kinda said, yeah, trust us. But if you want more accurate information on this, I recommend the video from Code Monkey. He explains it very well and probably much better than me. But in short, Unity just has lost a lot of trust. But then the question is, why would I keep using Unity when there is not really much trust in them anymore? Well, I have been using Unity for almost 5 years, uploading my first video in 2019.
Hey, hello guys, welcome to my first devlog on.
Yeah, that was horrible. But the point is that I've gotten so used to Unity, and because I'm still attending university, I just don't have a lot of time, as you can see from my upload schedule, to completely start over learning another game engine. And I'm scared that I'm not the only one who has this problem. Another thing is that I'm currently working on a game in Unity that I will put on Steam. So I will certainly keep using Unity while working on that game. And then it's a bit weird to change to another game engine. And you know, I probably will try other game engines in the coming months or so. And maybe even make a video about how I try them out. Because clearly it's not a good idea to fully get into a game engine, because you never know what will happen. But it will take a lot of time for me to get fully used to it and to make projects with it. So the coming months, or even maybe the coming year, I will still be using Unity. And I think you will see the same by a lot of other game devs. I just hope Unity takes this action back, which they probably won't, because I know they need to make money. But I just don't think this is the right way to do that. But hey, we will see how things turn out. I will stick with Unity for the time being, but we'll definitely try out new things. That was the video. Pretty different from my usual videos, but I felt like making this video was necessary for some reason. This whole situation is not something I expected to happen, but here we are. Thank you for watching, and hopefully the next video will be another fun video and not more Unity drama. Bye!